This is a look at the court action filed against 23 teachers, the union, and an activist. And the first thing that happened when the Detroit Public School attorney started talking today in court was he said, you know what, those 23 teachers listed in this that a bunch of evidence was collected on, they're not going to be targeted today. Teachers say that's evidence the district didn't do its homework. 23 teachers missed class and came as ordered to court. Some say they didn't know why they were there. Others admit they took part in protests and spoke out against dangerous conditions in schools.
So I gave some radio interviews and I wrote a letter to parents. I apologized to parents, actually, because truthfully, teachers should have spoken up a long time ago.
I'm upset about it. I've been on workman's comp since October 20th, 2015. How did I participate in a sick out?
Then the district's attorney said, never mind, we're not targeting teachers. Teachers say they only were named in retaliation for speaking out.
I stand up. I could be the poster child for a good teacher in DPS, yet they try and defame my name here.
The Detroit Public School attorney wanted to focus instead only on the Detroit Federation of Teachers, its president Ivy Bailey, and its ousted president Steve Kahn.
But DFT has an affirmative obligation under the law to not permit its folks to strike.
I understand that they have an affirmative obligation to not encourage or facilitate.
Correct.
Tell me what it is that you would point me to indicate that they have an affirmative obligation to preclude individuals vested with civil rights from doing anything.
The judge ruled the DFT had no obligation to crack down on members. As for Steve Kahn, the case against him is delayed until next month.
Idiots, go drink Flint water.
As emergency manager Darnell Early walked out of the courtroom, Representative Brian Banks yelled at him, criticizing him for wasting money on the case against the teachers. Early had only this to say before he left to escape a yelling crowd.
That's the bottom line. Teachers need to be in the classrooms.
The judge told the district if this case is going to be brought forward against anybody, you better have solid evidence that they organized it. In the meantime, teachers are asking, how much did the district pay lawyers to put this all together against them, only to just drop the case against them today? They want to know why instead money wasn't spent fixing their schools. In Detroit, Kim Russell, 7 Action News.